Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all what I got here in this awesome little box. This is what it looks like. This is from a makeup brand called Dominique Cosmetics. She's a YouTuber. Here's my order form. Here is a card. It says, "Thank you for supporting Dominique Cosmetics. We hope you enjoy your purchase." It says their products are created with love of color and quality, and we would love to see your creativity. That's basically what it says. So, Dominique Cosmetics did a collab with wadey180, I think is what it's called. Anyways, they did a collab and made some face primer and face spray. And I love sprays, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try. So, you can buy the spray or primer both separately, or you can buy together and with this makeup pouch. So here's what the makeup pouch looks like. It's like a minty green, and it says Dominique Cosmetics and jadey180, and it's like a hard plastic. It's kind of see-through, and if you order it over a certain amount, they include a free face mask. And the face mask retails, because they sell them on their site, the face mask retails on their site for $12. We got that for free if you order over $50 or more. And so I got the primer and spray, and then I've always wanted to try their lip gloss. So I actually already put this on, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I haven't checked out the face mask yet, but the lip gloss retails, it's $17, and I think that's the regular price. And the prep and prime set with the bag retails for $52. So if you just even purchased this set, I would have gotten the free face mask. But since I was on there, and I got free shipping, since I was already on the site, I figured I've been wanting to try this. So here's what the lip gloss package looks like. And I got the shade Strawberry Lemonade. And I love the packaging. And, oh, it's so freaking cute. Look at what the gloss looks like. I love, love, love the pink. And it says lemonade right there. I'm trying to go really fast because my video keeps cutting out and I had to keep erasing videos. So here's what the dofa looks like. And I already put some on. I literally just put it on right before I filmed. And it's really pretty. It's glossy. Feels nice. It doesn't feel too sticky or any of that. And but I did notice I had to dip in twice. Once for the bottom lip and then once for the top lip, just to get enough gloss on here. But I want to go ahead and swatch this for you. This is the shade Strawberry Lemonade. So that is pretty sheer. I thought it'd actually be more opaque. And I cannot smell strawberry or lemonade. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to smell like. I thought it would. So there's the lip gloss. I love the dofa. I love the way it looks. I love everything. Love the color, the package, outside, inside, all of it. And it's kind of like a clear. It's not too opaque, and there's no glitter or sparkle, which I love, which I do like sparkle, but not always. So this feels like a really nice gloss, but you do have to dip in several times to get enough on your lips. So I don't love that, but it's not a deal breaker. All right, so let's check out. Here's the bag again, and here are the primer. This is what it looks like. Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer. Get 40 milliliters. And then here's the spray. There's what those two look like together. And this is also a hydrating fine mist spray which comes with 118 milliliters. So I'll show you what the primer looks like. Here's this, and it's got the same green as in the bag. It matches. It's a very, very nice, and it did have a safety seal, but like I said, I already tried to film this and it cut off, but I will squirt this again. That's what the primer looks like. Looks like your typical lotion, and the smell is fucking amazing. Smells like cucumber. It blends into the hand amazingly. It feels so nice and silky. I cannot wait to try that on my face. It smells unbelievable. I love it. So it's just a great moisturizer plus primer, but you can use it as just a moisturizer. Now here is what the spray, the ultra hydrating fine mist spray. It's beautiful. I love the packaging, and I love, love, love the mist. Let me do it. Y'all see that? It is literally as fine as wine. Fine wine. Oh my God, y'all. This smells so fresh and a beautiful smell. It kind of smells like roses, like a cucumber rose in a way. That's kind of what it reminds me of. So, the spray is fucking amazing. Probably the best spray of any of my setting sprays. And the smell is probably my favorite smell. I had no idea I would love this so much. Now, I don't know how well it holds up, because it's just my first time spraying it out. And I love this primer. That is fucking amazing, y'all. Let's check out the free mask. Or you can go and purchase their mask for 12 bucks. Or you can get it free if you purchase over $50. Hopefully I can get this shown before it cuts off. Ooh, yeah. So this is a double-sided. We got the black side. It says Dominique Cosmetics. And it's like a silky material. Then on the other side is like a cream color. So you can use either side. And I don't want to get lipstick on it. So you can do the white side. Oh, and the white side says Dominique Cosmetics, and it says you're beautiful inside and out. Oh, that is cool. I love that. And then the black side just has her logo or name. So that is everything I got. I got the free $12 mask for ordering over $50 and more. I got the Dominique Cosmetic makeup bag with the face primer and face spray. So I got that set, and it comes with a bag. And I paid, I think it said $52 for that. The free $12 mask, and I was looking, okay. And then this strawberry lemonade lip gloss, and that's the shade. It's like a very sheer pink. So that was, I think, $17. Let me double check how much they're. The lip gloss, yeah, $17 for that. And that's regular price. So the Prep and Prime set is brand new. And I'm super excited to try all that shit out. And I love that they gave away the free face mask, since now we gotta wear them all the time. Alright, thank you guys for watching. And if you're new, please subscribe to have more unboxings and subscription boxes and all that good stuff. If you're not new and you're watching, welcome back, and thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. And let me know if you have tried the new primer and face setting stuff from Dominique Cosmetics, or if you're wanting to try it out, or if you've ever tried out Dominique Cosmetics, and let me know if you like her or not.